very remote and in rural areas. Now the security forces are already doing their job, and Assam is requesting 50 extra companies of the central forces, which we will mobilize, and it will be immediately done. But Home Minister Rajnath Singh and myself, we are leaving for Assam this afternoon, and now we are calling a meeting. I have to say this, it is very unfortunate that this kind of violence has taken place, where we have already sent a message that violence and development cannot go together. If we have to develop Northeast, peace must prevail. Peace and development are inseparable elements. And this gruesome incident, this tragic incident, is a blot to our efforts and in the process for development of Northeastern region.
Are you launching some massive attack on Sanghvi group, or you say it's done by
Operation Jari Rahega?
As we are mobilizing the required forces, it is automatic that nobody can take this incident very lightly. I am particularly very upset that despite our appeal, such thing has happened, and the victims are the innocent people. That is more upsetting. And this is doing lots of harm to the community they claim to represent and the region they claim to represent. This is totally unacceptable, and it's a blot in all our effort to secure Northeast.
Are you referring to NDP Sanghvi group having said the community?
Definitely, whomever they claim to represent, it is a disservice to the community. This is not a fighting for the cause. This is disservice to the community or the region they claim to represent. It is unacceptable. That is why in Northeast, the general people and we in the government, everybody has to decide that if we have to develop, if we have to ensure that Northeast must be developed as other parts of the country, then peace must prevail in Northeast.
Sir, government of Assam had been for input 3 days back, but they didn't take any action. What do you have to say?
See, let us not go into the failure right now. We must concentrate on what to do, because incident tragedy has taken place.
चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो है वो एलिफेंट सवारी का मजा ले रहे हैं।
नहीं, वो मैं बात नहीं कर सकता इंडिविजुअल का, लेकिन जो घटना हुआ है और अभी 52 लोग का मारे जाने का पुष्टि जो आ गया है, वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ, और उसमें पूर्वोत्तर का विकास के लिए जो हम लोग का एक मुहिम है, इसमें ये एक धक्का लगा है, इसलिए इसको लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहिए। और भारत सरकार की ओर से असम सरकार ने जो डिमांड किया है, जो सपोर्ट के लिए मांग किया है, उसका पूरा समर्थन किया जाएगा।
देखा गया है कि सर हर 2-3